A flash, then nothing, you don't hear the thunder, you don't hear anything, your whole body just locked, every muscle firing at once, and now you're on the ground and you don't remember falling. You were crossing an open field. Storm clouds had been building for an hour, but the rain hadn't started yet. That's the moment people get caught off guard. Lightning doesn't need rain above you, it can strike from 10 miles away out of a clear patch of sky, 0 seconds in. Up to 1 billion volts just move through the air and into you in a fraction of a second. Most of that current doesn't burn through your organs, it travels over your skin in what researchers call a flashover. That's actually why most lightning strikes are survivable. Your skin's resistance forces the current to skip across the outside of your body instead of straight through your heart, but your heart still takes a hit. 1 second in, the electrical surge scrambles your heart's own rhythm. Cardiologists call this asystole, when the heart's normal electrical signal just stops. For a moment, your heart isn't beating at all. 5 seconds in, if you're lucky, and many people are, your heart resets itself. It has its own natural pacemaker cells, and sometimes that surge acts like a full-body reboot. Your heart can snap back into rhythm on its own, the same idea used later in a hospital defibrillator. 30 seconds in, your nervous system is still in chaos. Both of your arms and legs may be temporarily paralyzed. Doctors call this paralysis. It's not permanent, and it's not damage to the nerves themselves. It's more like your whole electrical wiring tripped a breaker. Feeling usually returns within an hour. 1 minute in, your skin shows the strike. Reddish branching patterns called Lichtenberg figures may spread across your chest or arms like a fern pressed into your skin. They're not burns in the usual sense. They're caused by tiny capillaries bursting under your skin from the current, and they fade within days. 2 minutes in, your ears are ringing, maybe permanently. The shockwave from the strike can rupture an eardrum instantly. Some survivors report hearing loss and balance problems for the rest of their lives. 10 minutes in, if someone found you and started CPR right away, your odds are good. Researchers who study lightning injuries, including physician Mary Ann Cooper, one of the leading experts on lightning trauma, have found that lightning survivors often need CPR started within minutes because the heart can restart, but the person may still not be breathing on their own. This is sometimes called lightning's mercy. Unlike other cardiac arrests, a struck heart is often otherwise healthy and ready to resume beating with a little help. 1 hour in, if you're conscious, confusion is common. Your short-term memory might have gaps around the strike itself. Some survivors never remember the flash at all. 1 day in, muscle soreness sets in everywhere, like you ran a marathon you don't remember running. This comes from the massive involuntary muscle contraction the current caused in that first instant. 1 week in, if nerve damage occurred, you might notice lingering numbness, chronic pain, or difficulty concentrating. Long-term lightning survivors often describe this cluster of lasting symptoms: memory trouble, fatigue, changes in personality, and it can take months or years to fully resolve, if it resolves at all. Here's the wider lens. About 90% of people struck by lightning survive. That number surprises most people because we picture lightning as instant death. But the flashover effect means the current usually skips across you rather than through your core, and a stopped heart at this age and health is often shockingly good at restarting itself if it gets a chance. Your body right now, sitting still and reading this, is running on the exact same electrical signals that just got hijacked in that field. Every heartbeat you feel is a tiny controlled electrical pulse. Lightning just borrowed that same wiring and turned the voltage up by about 1 billion.